PLR products versus making your own. What's right for you? The most profitable way to make money from a website or any online brand is to sell your own product. This is hugely more effective than making money from PPC ads, which basically involves sending your traffic to another website for a small fee, while the advertiser makes more from them by selling a product. Selling products keeps your audience on your site and engaged with your brand, all while giving you 100% of the profits. But how exactly should you go about obtaining and selling your own digital products? Two of the best options are reselling PLR books or creating books from scratch. Let's take a look at which is best for you and your business. Making your own products. Making your own products gives you the big advantage of having complete and total control over the product. This way, you can choose precisely the topic and the audience, and you can choose your phrasing right down to the last word. This allows you to ensure the book is perfectly tailored for your audience, that it perfectly matches your brand messaging, and that your audience will be able to hear your voice in the way you're writing. On top of that, making your own digital product means you'll get total freedom regarding pricing and how to go about marketing your book. Selling PLR products. A PLR product also gives you total control and freedom, however, allowing you to choose the title, the price, and every other small detail regarding how you're going to position and sell your book. The difference is that you have a starting foundation to begin with. If you're not confident to write 10, 12, or 20,000 words from scratch, and handle all the editing, and handle all the graphic design, then this gives you an easy way to get started. What's more is that a PLR product normally comes with ready-made marketing materials and evidence of already selling. This removes the risk of creating a product that no one wants to buy, and ensures that it at least has the potential to sell in big numbers. The only factor that is changing is the person selling it, leaving you to tweak the variables until you get it right.